Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to replace these climate control backlight bulbs. It's a 2012 Yaris Sedan, which uh, it's the same architecture as like the previous. It's like '07 or something. Not to be confused with the 2012 Coupe, which is the new generation. Just gonna need a fine flat tip screwdriver. Parts here I got at the Toyota dealership. These are right here. I already installed them, but I'm gonna show you the process I went through. First you're gonna need to remove all these 3 trim pieces. These just kind of pop out because, of course, they do. It's a Yaris. It's not like a GM or Ford or nothing like that. And you're going to undo these 2 things here. You don't need to take this whole thing out, but this goes under here. You're gonna grab this. So, another thing, this piece right here, that might be popped out. Then you can't do the recycle air versus new air. You can pop that back in. But so we're gonna be taking off these dials here, just the ends of these. So get your trusty screwdriver. Kind of hard to see. Just kind of take these off. I know, not the best camera work. I greased this. That's why it looks like this. Just to hope they don't have to do this again. That's for that one. As you see here, there's the dial. That little thing right there is the bulb. So, let me show you how to take off the other ones. This one, there's one of those clips behind this switch here. This connector, I mean. This is your AC switch power. Let me just wedge this screwdriver in here slightly. Undo it. On the other side. And if I apologize if it's hard to see, I'm just working with one hand. This whole thing should not pop out. That side just had a connector broke. A little clip broke. Okay, that comes off. Like that. The bulb in there is down that hole. And it's also the same for this one. The connector one right here. And down here. Focus my hand right there. So it should come off. It is not. Hold on. Let me do it. Make it easier. I was just taking the whole thing apart. The trick is to apply a little bit of upward tension when you're doing these, so that the ones you already unclipped don't come re-unclipped. Like that. And that's the last one on there. So you're gonna take in your flat tip screwdriver. You can undo those. I'm gonna undo the easiest one. Pull it out. I'm gonna pull it out. The great thing about fixing these kind of things yourself. Come gather, you son of a bitch. It's right there. is that, see, these come with the, normally with the green covers on it, so it tints the light green. It's supposed to make it easier on the eyes. But I took it off because I just want the regular light color. Of course, it's here. I test them once you get them back in. It's kind of hard to see. Oh, there you go. That's lit. Card is not the lights being on. Now, the fun part of putting all these back. Now, when you put them all back, you gotta make sure the dial's line. So we're gonna take this from down here, move that all the way, and then match that up with that hole right there. That's clipped back in, but that's not. Oh dear. That works now. For this, we are going to turn that all the way that way. Oh dear, which one was it? It's this one. These look the same, but let's try the other one. Oh fuck, I got it mixed up. It's better to do these one at a time. Okay, so this one has one guide here. This other one has two guides. So put the one guide in, let's see, with the one. So this goes in this one. And so this one with the two guides goes in the lower one. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure all your dials have full rotation. This one down here. Then you're just gonna snap it back together. I'm gonna have to work a little with this because it's bogged in, but it's kind of hard to see in the light. But these all work now. That's kind of it. It's a pretty easy job to do. But yeah, all right, there you go.